Hello friends, in last couple of years, I came across many professionals who asked me how to transition from their current job position to openings in data analysis, data science and machine learning. Many final year students also asked me how to prepare and get jobs in these fields. Some were looking to go for higher education. Almost all of them were also interested to know the technology stack that they should learn and how to prepare for them. This video is dedicated to such queries. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Most of the job positions advertised by IT and non-IT companies are titled as Data Analyst, Data Scientist or Senior Data Scientist, Machine Learning Engineer or Machine Learning Researcher or Senior Machine Learning Engineer. In specific cases, these titles could be different. If you read the description of such postings, you will find that they are targeting to a specific work. In all such job postings, some skills are common and some are specific to the job. Let's note what are the common skills required. First of these skills is programming knowledge. You will be explicitly asked, or it is assumed, that you are able to do programming and you have your concepts very clear. The required level of expertise differ from job position to job position. A data analyst may use many automated tools and some amount of programming for customization and writing scripts. But data scientists and machine learning engineers are required to have very good knowledge of hands-on programming. People in these positions are expected to be able to write hundreds of lines of code independently with good programming practices. Obviously, you build such skills over a period of time, but even at junior positions, you are expected to write some amount of code independently with good programming practices. Last 5 years of trend shows that Python is the most preferred programming language for these job positions. And all positions expect you to know SQL. Using SQL, you transact with the database servers. R programming is also becoming popular specifically for data analysis jobs. C++ is popular among people who write core data science or machine learning libraries like TensorFlow, and also among people who write performance critical parts of the solutions. Scala, Java are popular among big data professionals, and Python has also created its place in big data environment. There are also some tools which you are expected to know. The level of expertise in these tools depend on to which position you are targeting. If you are targeting to a senior position, you are expected to have good knowledge of these tools. If you note, you will find that Jupyter Notebook, Pandas, and Git are some of the common libraries and tools that most people in these fields use. There are also tools which are specific to a job profile. For example, a data analyst may use Power BI or TableView as a visualization tool. They may also use Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Similarly, data scientists and machine learning profiles expect you to have good knowledge of TensorFlow, PyTorch, NumPy, Pandas, and also some knowledge of Docker. The third set of skills among all these job positions is the working knowledge of high school level mathematics. Linear algebra, differentiation, probability, and statistics. These 4 areas of mathematics are in particular required for these job positions. A data analyst is supposed to have very good knowledge of probability and statistics, but a data scientist and a machine learning engineer is supposed to have good knowledge of linear algebra, differentiation, probability, and statistics, all these 4 areas. These job positions could be stressful sometimes. They require long hours of perseverance and working alone for several days on challenging problems. You are supposed to own the task assigned to you. This is where your people skills should help you in approaching others for ideas and suggestions. Therefore, you are required to have life skills. Sometimes, large projects are broken in parts and assigned to different team members, and therefore, you should also know how to work in teams, how to keep aside your personal egos and your personal choices and go along with the team choice. Now, after so much of expectations from a candidate, the companies usually offer very good financial rewards. As you gain experience, you start contributing more and more to the company in terms of final solution design, architecture, overall programming logic, team bonding, communication, and presentation of results. Here you see how each of these job profiles pay to a junior position and a position with at least 10 years of experience. And exceptions here are possible. People who move from core technical to management roles after 10 or more years of experience can even earn higher salaries. Now, let's look at how to walk towards achieving which position you decide to apply. If you are a fresher working at junior level or transitioning into these job profiles from non-programming jobs, then the first thing to do is to learn and practice coding skills and the right tools for the job. The second step that you have to do is to complete a math refresher. Join a course where you can brush up your mathematical skills. Data analysts should focus on statistics, whereas data scientists and machine learning engineers should focus on all areas of high school level mathematics. The third step you should be taking is to start attending and watching tech talks. Identify good tech talks in your chosen work profile and attend them in person if possible or watch online. Even watching the recordings will help you and understand what is going on in these fields. The fourth step is to simultaneously develop essential life skills like emotional intelligence, how to stay calm and focused to your work, how to let go your ego and look towards broader perspective. There are some very good resources available. Even there are some live courses that you can look to attend. Sincerely attending 1 hour per day for 1 or 2 months could really help you in your entire career. In short, you have to do the following. Decide which job profile is suitable for you given your academic and work experience related background. Don't dream for completely different job profiles, as that may prove to be very hard to stay in that profile and compete with others. Once you have decided, plan how will you go about it, how much time it will take, which courses to take, with whom to discuss, etc. And then sincerely prepare for it. Practice what you are preparing. Practice more and more. Engage with the similar community. Apply for the jobs and then grow in that profile both from inside using your life skills and outside using your technical knowledge. Some of these activities we have started at Acharya.ai and some we carry out along with our associates. You can send your queries at info@acharya.ai or you can submit the contact form on our website. If you find the information provided in this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. There is a lot of message I have tried communicating in this short video, so you may want to watch it again and pause where you want to take note of the points mentioned. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.